I certainly think that we can know objective truth. For example, I know that I exist. That is objectively true. I think it's undeniable. And therefore I see no reason to think that I cannot know objective truth. In fact, that position tends to be self-defeating, because anybody who says you cannot know objective truth is presupposing that that is objectively true. If it's not, then it's just his opinion, and we can ignore it and discard it. But if he means it to be objectively true, then it is the case that we can know that some things are objectively true. So objective truth, it seems to me, is simply undeniable. And the question then is, well, then what is true? And then we're embarked upon mankind's greatest search.